let's watch some news. Good afternoon. Welcome to Malibu News. I am Jasmine Davis and it's currently 1 p.m. in Malibu. Malibu police have suspected a robbery in Barbie Bank, about $1 million stolen. Camera footage had caught the thief red-handed and police are trying to find the suspect currently. What? A robbery at Barbie Bank? And about $1 million stolen? Oh my god. The police better catch the suspect. Anyways, let's order a new tree for this coming Christmas. This one looks good. Let's call the tree delivery company. Hello. Hello. My name is Olivia. I'm calling for a tree delivery. Hi, Olivia. What tree would you like? Can I have the Homecome 7 feet tall snow-dipped tree? Okay. Also, I have a question. Actually, 2 questions. Is the tree delivery same-day delivery? Yes, ma'am. We deliver trees on the same day the customer orders. That's great! Also, how much is the tree I just said? I just want to check. The Homecoming 7 feet snow-dipped Christmas tree is $39.99. Wow, that's a great deal. When should I pay? You could pay it right here. We accept credit cards and Bitcoin. Wow, you accept Bitcoin? Yes, ma'am. Okay, here's my credit card number. Thank you for purchasing a tree. Have a great day, ma'am. You're welcome. Oh wait. Yes, ma'am? Sorry, I ask a lot of questions. What time will the tree be delivered today? It will be delivered in 1 hour because your address is right next to our store. And lucky you, we still have some in stock. Okay, thank you. No problem. Bye. Have a great day. Bye. Wow, they have a great customer service. Okay, now let's watch some TV. Oh, hey Emma, how are you doing? I'm doing great. How about you? Awesome as always. Anyways, I thought of you, and it's been long since the last time we met. That was a Thanksgiving party, so I thought I could hang out with you today. Aw, you're so sweet, Emma. Come in. Thank you. I will get you some snacks. Do you want a slice of vanilla cake and some juice? I know that's your favorite. Sure, why not? Okay, let me get them for you. Here you go. How about you? I'm fine. Anyways, I just ate a snack a few minutes ago. Do you want to watch some TV? Sure. Have you heard the news? A robbery at Barbie Bank. The suspect stole $1 million. I didn't watch the news yet. Good afternoon. Welcome to Malibu News. I am Jasmine Davis and it's currently 1 p.m. in Malibu. Malibu police have suspected a robbery in Barbie Bank, about $1 million stolen. Camera footage had caught the thief red-handed and police are trying to find the suspect currently. But the police better catch the suspect. Yeah, also, you can stay here for lunch. Okay. let's eat lunch now. Okay. Wow, the food looks so good. Wow, that looks like a yummy egg curry. Yay! Thanks for watching! Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell button to get notifications from us. Oh, don't forget to comment down below. I will see you next time with more wonderful videos from Tiny Cuisine. Cook, eat, play!